Hi friends, how to make the simple calculator using WPF C# application. Here this is a demo. So you can see here if I enter the 1 plus 4 equal, here this one will be the answer. If it is clear, I want to 3, 4 divide by 2, 2 will be the answer. Okay. If it is, I'm going to 12 into 12, this one should be the answer. It is working perfectly well. Now how to make the system step by step we'll teach. Let's close them. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here, let's make the application. So go to my file, new project. Here in our Visual Studio.net, here we have create the new project. Create a new project. I am installing the Visual Studio 2022. You have to install them. You have to select C Sharp Windows application. Here you have to select as desktop application. Here you have to select as a WPF application. This one. Click next. You have to change this on WPF calculator. Calculator app. Okay. Now click next. Create. You have to click create. If you click create, this one should be the default application. Okay, this is the default window you will be able to see. Now here we have zoom little bit bigger, so you have tried the size 100. You have to make sure it's 100%. You can have a nice look. Okay. Now here first I'm going to click on that. Here you can see the design view. Second one is a XML view. Okay, the design view, XML view. XML view, there will be the title. It's defaultly come as a main window. Here I am going to change this one as a calculator. Calculator. Okay. So here we have a height and width. You have to specify the height and width. So I'm going to width I'm going to specify as 500. Height I'm going to change this one as a 350. It would be enough for us to make the application. Okay, so defaultly come as a grid. We no need to import the grid. It defaultly come as a grid. So this is the simple application. So if you need require the height little bit bigger, we will be later on we will give it. Okay, so here now I hope this one should be fine. So what you're going to do is go to the toolbox. I'm going to, so okay, this is the code I have attached in my video description. You can go and have it. Okay, create application. This the look. Okay, application actual calculator look. So here I'm going to toolbar. Here I'm going to, here I'm going to change, select as a text box, not text block, text box. Okay, drag and drop over here. It's coming look like this. A little bit here to bigger, the size you have implemented as little bit bigger. This one should be our main dashboard, main total dashboard. You have to write like this. Okay, perfect. You have to align correctly. Okay, this is the thing you have to do it. Okay, so okay, if you want to make the color, background color, whatever else, you will be able to do it. Okay, so I'm leave as it is. Okay, so this font size, select this one. Here then we have to go to the appearance. uh, we have to increase the font size little bit bigger, so that's why then here it will be, here go to the text, here to little bit bigger means 20. It's, we need to more than 20, so this so you have 24, 20, 30 will be able to 30. It would be fine. It's a main. Okay, it would be fine. The 30 would be the fine. Okay, 30 would be the fine size for us to in order to make the calculator. Okay, no problem. Okay, now here, if you like, you will be able to give the bold as well. It's a bold. So you have to change. I want to change the font as well. Font I'm going to change this one something. There will be the several font sizes available. You have to choose one of these. So I'm going to change this one. This would be fine. Okay, you can change it whatever you need. Okay, so let's arrange them like this. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is this one, select this one. I'm going to name a txt total. You name it as total. This is total will be displayed. Okay, this existing text, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. Now the calculator will be okay. Now I need to design a I want to design a numbering part as this like this 1 to 5. So here I drag one button, drag and drop it over here. This one I'm going to align like look like this. This size would be fine. Later on we have to change this size height. Okay, this one I'm going to name it as, you have to edit text 1. Okay, 1. Okay, so it's coming at the center. So select again. Font size we have a little bit bigger, 14. 14. You have to make this one as a like this one. Okay, this would be fine. Okay, fine for us. It's fine. The button has to be fine for us. So the same button, you have to hold on the Alt key and drag it. You have to get another copy like this. So again, you have to get another copy. You drag and drop it here, another copy. Hold down the Alt key and you have to get the copies. Fourth, fifth. Okay, I have 5 buttons. Second, this one. Select this one. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to text. Here you have to select right click, edit text to third one, select this one. Okay, 3, this one 4, this one 5. That's it. Now select everything. Alt on the shift key down and select everything. Alt, drag and drop it below. This is the efficient way to do the program. You have to keep maintaining these steps. Okay, this is space is enough for us. So I need another thing. So the select or hold on the shift key down and select all. Hold on the shift alt key down and drag it below. When you drag below, hold on the alt plus shift, then only it arranges like this. Alt plus shift. Okay, alt plus shift. Sorry. Okay, perfect. Okay, it's perfectly dragged. Okay, now what you're going to do is, now here this one should be right click, edit text 6. It should be 7, 8. This should be 9. This one should be not a 10. This one should be a 0. Okay. So after that, you have to go based on the documentation. Here 0 plus, here minus. We will go here plus, minus, here into, division. This one would be the clear. This one would be the clear button. Now what I'm going to do is, you have to a little bit here bigger. We need a style, so we have to we have what our news to go here. You can't arrange it here because the code we have to give the specific size. Height I'm going to make it as here as well. For 50, it's okay for us for this now. This for 50. It's a default size there. Now let arrange. Later on we have to this one the same button. Just copy Alt present Alt and drag it below. Here to here. This one you have to like this. This one should be the equal. Select this one. Right click, edit text, you have to write equal. This one equal, I want to size little bit bigger, 24. Select this one, 24, 36. Okay, it's enough. Now you can see they have a nice look calculator application. So now here you will be able to run and check it whether how the things work on. Later on, we have to arrange the size as well. So let's see. Sometimes the size is sometimes okay. Now let's arrange them this one little bit. Okay, it's no problem. So here we have to change some little bit space we have given over here. Okay, little bit space we will be able to given here. Okay, now let's check it. Now let's arrange the size. So you have to change this one as I have changed it. So for 350, I'm going to make that 450. So here also we have to increase this a little bit space. Okay, okay. It will be take care of it. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. This one also we have to. Okay, let's check it. Okay, now it would be fine. Here, now the calculator application would be fine. If you want to the space, we have to reduce the space a little bit small. Here also, here don't adjust it here. Let's we have to both you have a experience with the code and everything. You have to change this one height as for 20. Let's go here 20 would be the fine or not. It would be I think it would be fine 20. Okay, it would be fine here. It successfully matches the size. Now it will be successfully matched with everything. Now what I'm going to do is now let's make the code. So okay, first select this button. This one I over. This button, click on this. First you can see here this is a name. You have to change this one a BTN1. Press enter key to apply the name. Again here to event. This click on the event. This is a event window. Here click here this one. Click event here this click event. You have to change this one as a BTN. Click 1. Press enter key on a keyboard. Here this one should be the event. Okay, so here this one. Here this is a button click. Okay, BTN1. So if you want to change this one, if you want to make this, here you can message box dot show hi 1. So let's check it to run the application. Sarah, sorry, Kevin close there. Click on 1. Here it's working. Okay, it's working successfully. Okay, now let's do the program. Okay, you have to understand the things well, then only we will be able to make the application. So 1. Okay, so here second is 2. Here also you have to write BTN 2. Press enter key, then only apply. After that event, click on the event window. Click this event window. Here also BTN. Click 2. 2. Press enter key. BTN1, BTN2. So here also maintain the consistency. I'll try this one as a sorry. Press enter key on the keyboard. So why this problem having here already this one event is there. So you have to remove them. Go again. You have to maintain with this one correctly. XML. Click on here. BTN. Click 2. Okay, it's working. After that, this one BTN3. btn3. So the event click event also btn click 3, press enter key. Again go here, this one should be the 4 btn 4. You should also click event also btn click 4, press enter key. This one should be the btn 5 click event also click on this event, click btn click 5, press enter key. After that click on this, so btn 6. Here also btn click 6, press enter key. After that click on the 7, the btn 7. Here also the event, click on this is the event btn click 7, press enter key. After that you click on btn, this one btn 8. Here also btn click 8, press enter key. Here also btn 9, btn click 9, btn you write 0, here also btn click, you write btn click, you write here this one also 0, press enter key. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is this one should be there. You write here btn plus, your name it as btn plus, this one also btn click, you write plus, you write sorry btn click, you write plus like this, you write plus, apply it, no problem. This one also btn minus, here also btn click minus, okay, it's no problem. Enter key, all things are there. Here btn sub, enter. Here also btn sub click sub, press enter. Here also btn division div, press enter. Here also btn click division div, press enter key. After that here go again, here btn clear, press enter. Here right click btn click clear, clear, press enter. After that click on this btn equal here right here btn click equal, press enter key. That's it. That's the thing you have to write it. Okay, this everything so we have done, it's fine. Now let's make the application. So here first one, this event, I'm going to double click on it. You have to go this event. This event, I'm going to make this one as a simple code. You have to write it over here. You have to write it here. The code will be, I'll be explaining it here. First, you have to create the 4 variables: string, char total, int num1, num2. String will be the option, whether the plus or minus or subtraction or division while we doing the calculation part. Get the result, we are using the result variable. This all the variable, just copy it. You have to implement that over here. Okay, instead of writing it take too much of time. So that string total, cal total, you have to write it into the variable int. This one should be the int number, string option, the result. Okay, after that what I'm going to do is here I'm going to make the thing is here. I'm going to make this application. You write like here, this code total txt total equal txt total plus 1. 1 mean when you click this button, 1 will be displayed. 1 1. So here we have a dot text. Very important text. Why it's a problem? Okay, sorry. Here also you have to import the text. Sorry, this is not a variable. Okay, now it's okay. Total text. This means this is nothing but like this way. This button, when you click this button, 1 will be stored. So okay, this button we have to. This is the our total area. This area total dot text. This is a text box. You have to write the property text. Total dot text means a property. If you not write the property, it's shown as well. So you must write the property txt text, which is nothing but the text box name. That dot text means uh, it will be representing as a property of the text box. It will be representing as a property of the text box. Okay, text. So let's copy this one to the button 2 means this is button 2. So we no need to again click. We already implemented this all the methods. So we are just copied. This one should be 3. Only the 3. This means the text only we would change. This one it would be 4. Copy and paste it. This would be 5. Copy and paste it. This would be 6. Copy and paste it. This would be 7. It would be 8. This would be 9. This would be 0. Now here we have to make a calculation bar. So let's check it. Once you've done anything else, you just trust and do it. Then only you will be able to get the output. Otherwise here, one is working here. It's working. So all things are working fine here. So every numbers are, it will be display on the total area. So it's a plus. There will be the plus. So the validation part, you have to make the validation over here. So the validation, when you make the validation, it is coming here. So here I'll be explaining the option. I'm going to implement the variable. I have created the variable string type option. So the option variable, you have to get into the plus button. If the user select as plus button, the sign is assigned. So num1. Okay, this one's num1. What is the number you are first time you are clicking? Okay, if you click on this number, it will be take as num1. Here this one variable here, num1, num2. We have created 2 different variables. Okay, so num1. Okay, so here it will be go over here. It will be plus symbol. Okay, again you have to click second one. It again go over here. Num1. It will be store here. For this one you have to convert. When you write an integer variable in C#, you have to convert as int.parse. Okay, that's why we have convert like this. The same things you have just copied. You have to paste it on below. This one should be the minus symbol minus. The same thing, just copy and paste it over here. This one should be the subtraction. The same thing, you just copy and paste it below. This one should be the division. The same thing. Okay, division. That's the thing you have to write it. Okay, that's how we have made the calculation. So after that, what you're going to do is we have a equals. So here, what I did here is the equal sign. Here also, number 2. Num2, the second time you are clicking the variable, this is number 2. Okay, num2, the first time if you click plus sign, and your first time you have to imagine first time you have to enter on your calculator as num1. It will be stored in the num1 variable. After that, your plus, you can click another variable. num2 it will be stored. So what is the sign you are getting? If it is plus, it will be added. If the sign is minus, it will be minus it. If it is subtraction, it is subtraction. If it is division, it will be division. You have to select the sign, the according to the value would be calculated. What the sign you are selected, what the option you are selected, according to the value will be calculated, and output the result according to the sign. Based on the sign, the result will be displayed. Okay, that's the things we have to do it. We have to put the condition. If the sign is this, the result would be calculated plus. If the sign is this, result would be calculated as minus. If the sign is this, result would be calculated as subtraction. If the sign is division, the result would be calculated as division. Okay, the result would be calculated according to the option you have selected. Okay, isn't it? Okay, you have understand. I hope you have understand this. You have clear. Okay, okay, you have clear this area. Okay, first time you have selected first number. If you are selected, it will store under the variable which is num1. After that, you have to click the sign which is a plus, so minus, so subtraction or division as you wish. After that, your second number you have to enter. It will store under the variable which is number 2. After that, it will be check the condition. Okay, which sign you have selected, according to the condition it will be value, result would be calculated. Okay, right, this is the thing you have to do it. After that, this clear all the things have you have clear. You have to write it here, clear button, total clear, result clear, num clear. After done this thing, you have to clear button, it will be clear. Now let's run the application and check. You click 2 plus 8, 10 would be the answer. 3 into 4, 32 would be the answer. 45 minus 7, 38 will be the answer. It will be working. If it is clear, all the things are clear. It's working. All the things are as we expected way. Okay, this is all the source code. You can go and have it my video description. Thank you for watching. So here, this is my website. You go through this link. This link I'll be giving my below. Okay, thank you.